Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 May 2018, 08 of hour, 27 of minute and 38 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why are there no front-wheel drive trucks? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why are there no front-wheel drive trucks. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about why are there no front-wheel drive trucks. That means that when the pickup bed is empty, there's no way to push the rear wheels down to the ground. So, if you had a heavy load in a front-wheel drive pickup truck, you could find yourself in a situation where you'd have a tough time getting traction from the front wheels. Last update December 3, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.